Hey, welcome back to the channel. Definitely switching it up with this one for for a quick 5-minute video of some indoor go-kart racing for my nephew's birthday just a couple weekends ago. This is at K1 Speed here in Austin. Throw mouse Moto. Did he say which ones we're getting in? Oh,
Number 11.
11. Ooh, looks like it's just gonna be us, man.
Hey, you might want to put him
Oh,
in the bin.
sorry. Thank
All
you.
good.
Good looking out.
All right, guys, it's down.
Do it now, I guess. I'm using my Sena intercom communication Bluetooth system, the 10C, the Evo, that captures the video that you're seeing here, plus the audio of the other riders. I'm talking to my nephew just over his earbuds through just a phone call, so you can't really hear him. It doesn't really work that well that way. Plus, it's mad loud. These are like electric carts, dude. Why is it so loud? I wanted to add whatever audio I could and trying to spare your guys your ears, because it's just like the mic inside the helmet. I don't know how that's happening. It's picking up so much. It's actually more loud than being on my Ryker somehow filming this way. But like I said, you know, it's just switching it up, having some fun. I show you like some takes right there on my brother-in-law. Got my dad up there in front of me. You know, it's only a matter of time for the mouse. Go ahead and waste that cat too. End up banging into almost just like murdering my nephew when he spins out on me, and then over his cousin, some light tapping going on. But yeah, just wanted to show something different. If you guys aren't into like the go-karts around your area, you gotta check it out. It's always fun. This track we've been going to for like 10 years now, and I don't know what it is. I've only seen them mix up the track one time out of that 10 years, and I think I'm like going every year and a half or something, like right when they switch the track back, or they just really don't switch the track, because it seems exactly how I always see it. So I don't know what's going on with that. If you guys know and have K1 speeds around you, you know, clue me on how they keep track of that. Oh, you almost got me, dude. Thanks. Thanks, Jackson. I was killing it. Actually, you know what? That was a blessing. Now I have a huge gap. That was indeed a lie. That was not a blessing. I thought with having the track ahead of me, it didn't take long till I caught back up to some other guys in the way. But I didn't do that good. I had like second best time out of all of us. My brother-in-law killed me by like a second or something crazy like that. But I was trying, and I think in the beginning, if I didn't have so much trouble. Plus, hey, actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna go that far in excuses. Look at this cart, dude. Isn't it like, it's not supposed to shake like that. It's like shaking into orbit. Look at that, like fairing that's just above the steering wheel right there. How wild and wacky it's going. And then toward the end, I was trying to show it, but I deleted the audio on accident. My bad. It's just so loud. I was gonna try to keep some of the live audio, but it just sounds like planes taking off, so I try to limit that for you guys. But you can hear like this clicking sound in my wheel. It's like, if you guys do go-karts, I was listening to it right here, it's like picking a bad cart at the grocery store. I have a terrible habit, terrible luck of that. I'm always getting the squeaky wheel, the one that goes a little bit less. So that's always my fallback excuse, and I'm going to use it again on this one. But either way, we had a lot of fun. I want to do something like this with some other moto vloggers. I have another video of some go-kart riding where we were at that Mario and Dreddy racing and Katie when I met up with Quasi and Zia, and I'll show that, but I wasn't with them. They were already riding all night. I just got there. I wanted to do something, went out there, and actually Zia, when I say Zia, I mean right about now, formerly known as the Night Ryker, met me up there, but we didn't race together. But wouldn't that be cool to get us all together, like moto vlogging back and forth and doing that? But I'll stay tuned for the next one. I got more content coming. Thanks.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Thrill Mouse Moto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, Thrill Mouse Moto.